Global News Zimbabwe represented by your boy DJ doing Tirimo muNgoni Stadium. Moz yapedza bhora and yapedza 1-0. We were watching the game. This show is brought to you by Gonzo Hardware. Munowana Mjurawa Complex kukatanga munoton. Next ndina Sarungano, one of our artists munoton. Anenga chimba. He was playing bana Sarungano ziri. Welcome to Global News Baba. Andika. Mauya kubhora. Maona say mamchiridza, you were providing entertainment for the crowd. We watch you utapona MG player. Muchona bhora marona say
izvi zvaunza community yedu yese padhuze nepadhuze kafara kufarira ndechekubatana kwaita community chiuya. So we love the unity that football brings to the community.
So iwewe as artist wemunomu provide our entertainment nebhora ranga richiprovide our entertainment sezvawataura kuti it brought the community together. Murikunzwa sei neteam yenyu yatamba handitika. It was a game which was so much hyped up.
This is a dream. This is a team that has just entered the Premier League and the feat that is achieved for a team that is making its maiden
a new baby in the Premier League. Yes, and it's still Ripamsora. Is that are you going to do the after party or is there anything that's going to happen? I was enjoying the show. We were loving the show. Maona say still unbeaten run, one win. Good for you. You are excited.
Yes.
You are happy.
Very happy.
Tinotenda.
Mr. Wida.
You Mr. Wida, you are a strong supporter of Moz. It's a fortress.
muNgoni Stadium. Now a fortress. Whatever team, we're not afraid. We move forward. We love this team. Whatever happens.